SPGC Stock Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. This is Sex Parente Golf stock. Yeah, 10% up is cool, but I'm just observing this from a higher time frame chart. I'm just looking at this gap. And again, context, I've done 33,000 videos over the last 4 years, spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships. And when I say that I've seen this happen thousands of times, you have to understand I'm not exaggerating. I mean, you can see how much videos I've made. You see, so SPGC still just gonna mark out the lows. Okay, we're sitting here. If I see this double break, I'm taking this thing lower. But you have to understand it's only because of that double break. Like, so if that double break is there, then and only then I'll short. So yeah, so but what happens if it just keeps going up? I'll keep you updated, but for right now, that's how it looks like. And I'm not gonna assume I'm gonna react. And this took me so like 4 years to understand. Obviously, it's just my opinion. It's not financial advice. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple, neat way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.